I'm like Beethoven with the bass on it. Made classic hits that went pop. Deaf to the hater won't stop. Let's talk keys, scales won't drop. You don't even need a scale to know I'm on top. Me and Mozart got bars, you got pops. Heard you writing Tiffany, a whole symphony. You a sim to me, but go off. Or make a masterpieces for you, or at least it's gon' hit like rumpa pum pum. Y'all fit to me like the symphony. Your career's done dun dun dun. I'm like Beethoven with the bass on it. Ain't have to spit to make bops. Made the opera pop when that's over in drops. Singing like na 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 na. Drop centuries ago and still along. Presidential drip from G. Washington. Shout out to him, the wick strong. If you think of playing me, you need major keys. Still minor leagues, you ain't born. This Mozart and that one chord. Now he wants smoke, so it's on. Call me dramatic, guess they ain't wrong. Definitely hating, faking, that's law. That classical brings that capital. I just caught Napoleon once. Riding with my stallion and I'm gone. Got my hits and mama gave some grace come. Gotta get the plague to be sick as us. 99 problems, my bitch ain't one. You ain't toe to toe with Tovin. The next Johan call me Tupac. Constitutional drip on him. I'm Major G, watch your tone here. You're getting